So pretty happy with the final installation of the Oxford grips. Run it very nice and neat. Didn't want to clutter up the handlebars with any more switches or gizmos. Yeah, so I mounted it down there. Works off the keyed ignition, which is, yeah, it'll switch off with a battery saver anyway. But yeah, and this is my TPS, quad lock, GPS, steering mount, steering dampener. This is potentially going to be ABS on the fly, on and off switch. Still working on that. Yeah, so all in all, nicely neated, running out, tucked out of the way. Run it in tubes to prevent any pinching, chafing. Rottweiler braces. Yeah, job well done.